Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to copy data from PDF to Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There are many professionals who use PDF file to share information and they use Excel to store data. Sometimes they may want to copy information from a PDF into Excel so they can easily organize and analyze the information. If you work with Excel spreadsheet, then it may be helpful learn how to copy data from PDF to Excel. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you can open the PDF file. Okay, you can open PDF file with Word. Okay, you can click right on the document on the file. You can click right. You can choose on open with just another app, and you can choose on Word. You can click on OK. Now here's the data. You can block the data in here and you can copy. You can click right and choose on copy. Now we can open the spreadsheet on Excel. You can use blank workbook and you can paste. So here's the result. It's so simple, right? You can just adjust the size of the table like this. So it's so easy to copy data from Excel to from PDF to Excel. You can follow this step by step. So that is how to copy data from Excel from PDF to Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.